Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is the Rajesh sir YouTube channel, and today I will teach you this ninth class Euclid geometry. Yes, and in mathematics, here we will study about the basic concept, some basic geometrical concept. Here is a basic concept, geometrical concept, mathematics, Euclid geometry. And here is some basic geometrical concept. Some basic geometrical concept. Here is first concept is axioms. Axioms. So what is axioms? We will define here the basic fact which can the basic fact which are taken for granted, which are taken for granted, which are taken without proofs, are called without proof, are called axioms. Basic concept which are taken and granted without proof are called axioms. These are examples. We will take the examples here. First example is given here. So first example is the half of equals are equals. Half equal are equals is equals. Okay, second we can say here that second sum of angle of a triangle, sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Suppose that third example we will to see you that a line can have many infinite points. Line contains many infinitely points. Okay, these are the some examples. Now we will take the second. This is the first basic geometrical concept. Second concept is here, that is called statements. Here is the statements. What is statements? Statements are sentence which can be judged. Statement which can be judged to be are taken also are to be taken to be a truth are called a statement. Example we will take the example here. Here is example. Suppose that first example we will take here. Say example, sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degrees, as we have taken here. Half of surface sum of angles of triangles is line constant. Sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. This is statements. Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. It's a true statement. True statements. Suppose that second we will take here. So seconds here is the so we'll take x plus 15 is greater than 15 is a sentence but not a statement, not a statement. So we can say it's a sentence but not a statement. And the third, we're taking third, sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree is false statements. It's a true but false statement. It's a statement but not a true. So here is the statements. Now we will take the third we will say here is the theorems. What is theorem? Now listen carefully. What is the theorem? It is also a statement. It is also a statement which require proof. Statements which require proofs. Proof is a theorems. Suppose that example here also we will take here example one. We will take here examples. Sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Here is also we will take the first example. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It's also have to prove these theorems. Sum of all angles measures around a point. Suppose that seconds. Sum of all angles measures around a point is 360 degree. We have to prove it. These are the some statement. With the help of that we can say solve. Here is the now third and the fourth. Fourth point is here corollary. What is corollary? Corollary actually it is also a statement which is only can easily be deduced from. It is also a statement which can easily be deduced from theorem. It is called corollaries. And these are the four some basic concept of the geometry. Here is the statements, and all are is associated with this theorems, theorems in the corollaries. And the first here is axioms. It is a basic ideas, and I have given you as example is a half of C is equals and which is greater than each of its part. Whole is greater than half its parts. First example we have taken as lines can have many infinitely points, and sum of angle of this will not be is a statement theorems. We can say that theorem is completely true. So we will take the example that a whole is greater than each of its part. Whole is greater than whole than its each of its part. Okay, These are the instruments I have given you, and I hope that you better understand these languages and basic concept, and just try to keep all these concept in your mind so that you can understand it well. Okay, thank you very much.